My monitoring site was located at Moruga, specifically the Grand Chemin coast. In terms of mapping applications, we were focusing on fisheries infrastructure, shoreline protection infrastructure, the marine commercial fishing vessels, mangrove areas, recreational areas, the community infrastructure, and Sargassum influxes. The map to the top is a 3D map of the area, and all the blue dots are the photos that were taken. The second map is the automosaic map, and the third map is the elevation map. There were 420 images that were captured, and the total map area was 115 hectares. The resolution was 3.5 centimeters, and accuracy plus or minus 2.5 meters. There were 24 annotations, which range from the recreational beach to the facilities to important community areas, coastal erosion, and so on. The yellow line that you see out at sea is where residents indicated that was the original coastline years ago. So the length of the coastline experiencing coastal erosion was 922.81 meters. The length of shoreline protection at the fishing facility and the school was 153.85 meters. The length of the mooring area that is used for vessels is about 183 meters. And the number of fishing vessels was 14. However, according to the Fisheries Division records, there are approximately 30 active vessels in the area. One of the reports that were produced was the Moruga Coastline Issue Report. This focused on drainage, coastal erosion, and the loss of mangroves. At number 2, with drainage, which is adjacent to the new facility, it was major because it was potentially cause flooding and health issues, the mosquitoes and so on. Coastal erosion, in terms of what is critical at 4, that particular area is being eroded and is adjacent to this Moruga cemetery. The loss of mangrove at 5, that is adjacent to the beach. The loss of mangrove at number 6, a lot of it is by human activity for different reasons, such as construction of homes and other activities. And the coastal erosion at number 8 lies between the new fishing facility and the school. And at this point in time, it is proposed that further infrastructure works has to be undertaken to protect those 2 structures. In terms of site monitoring strategy and recommendations, we propose quarterly mapping focusing on coastal erosion and mangrove loss. Mapping at low tide and high tide is very important in this area. Expansion of surveys along the coastline using participatory mapping, so we determine where we need to focus. And of course, collaboration between agencies is important. And in terms of additional data collection, we like to focus on corridor mapping. A lot of the vessels use this particular river to moor their vessels in Larfin, which is in close proximity to the site. Monthly mapping along the coastline during Sargassum periods, and of course, strong treating of the information that we have collected, and enumerating and undertaking vessel census activities by Fisheries Division to update our record.